Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Hyundai IX35 SE Trophy, stock reference number 3832. This shape runs from the 11th month 2009 through to the 1st month 2016. It has a G4 KD, 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. G4 KD, 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right hand headlight, which does have light sun cracks, right fog light, radiator grille, left headlight, left fog light. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front is a ball tyre. We have the left power door mirror, indicator tyre, LED indicator. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish, both LED. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Looks like it's missing one of the park sensors. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, both LED. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door, 2 small dents. Right power door mirror, indicator type. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's got black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp with sunglass holder, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.